Connect the control cable. Connect the intake air pipe. Connect valve air pipe. Connect the vibrating air pipe. Adjust the appropriate vibration size. Manual mode function introduction. Vacuum feeding. Feeding time 5, unloading time 3. Feeding time to vacuum absorb powder. Cutting time, the time for the powder to be stored in the silo. Run. Vacuum feeder circulating powder section. Store the absorbed powder in this warehouse first. The silo is equipped with sensors. The full material stops and the lack of material starts. Add powder. When the sensor light is on, the pneumatic valve will open and the powder from the silo will fall into the turntable. When the sensor light is off, close the valve. Add capsules. Manual capsule addition is not controlled by the sensor and should be manually closed. Add enough powder and capsules. Disable all functions. Open the vacuum powder feeding. Enter parameter settings. Conformation parameters. Enter automatic mode. Start the machine. Can be automatically controlled. Missing powder sensor light is on. Powder will be added. Light is off to stop adding powder. When the sensor is on for 25 seconds, the lack of powder shuts down. If the capsule sensor light is off, capsules will be added, and the light is on to stop adding capsules. When the sensor turns off the light for 25 seconds, the capsule is missing and stops. The powder silo lacks powder and the sensor light is off. Automatic vacuum feeding. Store the absorbed powder in this warehouse first. The entire overfilling process will be completed automatically.